dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Hello viewers, thank you so much for joining us on today's news. The headlines: President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has appealed to the Nigerian doctors abroad to return to their home and serve the people. Next after this, we have the Rivers State House of Assembly is currently under demolition on Wednesday as about 10 bulldozers drove into the premises. But before we proceed with this news, welcome to Reality Latest. This is your home of news and politics. Thank you all so much for joining us on today's news. If this is your first time of watching, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified when next we drop our video. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you all so much for joining. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has appealed to Nigerian medical practitioners and the diaspora to return to the country to serve Nigerians and to contribute quarter to the development of Nigerians' medical sector and also to serve Nigerians. The president made this call at the unveiling of Nigerians' health sector renewal investment initiative at the State House in Abuja, describing health as a fundamental human right. He announced the plan for a comprehensive revamp of physical infrastructure and equipment and the retraining of frontline health workers starting in 2024. The president boasted that Nigeria remained a rally point for the best mind in the medical professions, prompting his administration to allocate a substantial sum of the sector in the 2024 budget currently before the National Assembly. He went on to beg Nigerian medical practitioners in the diaspora to return home to serve their people, just like Professor Ali Pate and Tunji Alusa have done, to sacrifice their time to come back home and serve their people, that they should consider their contributions here at home. As we say, charity begins at home. For the development of the country, who benefited from amazing talent of Nigerian health workers, he said he would really encourage them to consider how to support the expansion of training facilities in Nigeria to replace those that they have recruited from here. That they should look at the short and long-term opportunities that they offer. Yes, they have a vibrant, well-educated society, but they need Nigerians to rise on one side with climate change and drop the health system to decay. Just see what is happening. They are begging Nigerians doctor that is staying in abroad to come back to Nigeria to serve the people. But when they need medical attention, they will all fly to abroad. Most of them, travel abroad because of the peanuts they are paying them here. And you can't tell them to come back and continue from the peanuts you have been paying them and overwork them as well, while you and your goons spend billions on wardrobe, exotic cars, and so many other things. They don't consider them. So I think they value them over there in abroad more than they do in Nigeria. I think you should make the country conducive for professionals to return. Most of all these professionals want to return home. Home is home for some of them. Some of them are patriotic, but not at the detriment of their safety, security, mental health, and earnings. It seems as if legislative arms of government officials, they are the one that earns a lot. Professionals work very hard to get to the peak of their career in Nigeria, but they are overworked, underpaid, and required to work in a toxic work environment. Consider per hour pay now, major salary rise, and much more. Leadership is a function of accountability and empathy with people-oriented policies. First of all, he should show some sympathy by putting in place policies that will favor the people, then see them returning home. Mr. President, change your focus from the minority elite that brought you to power to the majority people that are suffering under your government. Do this for the sake of God and humanities. You want them to return home and earn peanuts while you allocate huge amount of money to renovate the vice president office. I think buying a presidential yacht is more important than the health of Nigerians. And begging doctors to return to Nigeria without ensuring them their salary review is baseless. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu promised to pay federal civil servants 35k for 6 months, but he couldn't even fulfill that. So how will you convince the doctors to return home when you are not even talking about their salary review and the environment is not conducive? So guys, I would like to get your thoughts on this. Let me know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Moving on to the next one. The Rivers State House of Assembly is currently under demolition on Wednesday as about 10 bulldozers drove into the premises of the assembly complex. It was reported that the fractional speaker Edison A led Other lawmakers loyal to the state governor, similarly Fubara, to hold a sitting early on Wednesday before the demolition began. Edison during this section said that the complex was due for repairs following the explosion that rocked the building on October 30th, 2023. That the governor would provide an alternative place for them to sit in the meantime. However, users of the social media X, formerly Twitter, began to react to the news and they were complaining bitterly. They said governor similarly has ordered the demolition of the Rivers State House of Assembly complex. Now, this is madness and they don't know what to do. Like they said earlier that they are not in support of the governor, Fubara similarly, or Wike. That both of them are best of the same feather. But you see any fight against Wike, that is a good fight. That this Rivers State type of politics is something else. That for Governor Fubara to demolish Rivers State House of Assembly this morning, they are taking this as a joke because they don't want to take it as something that is serious. But one thing they are always saying that they love the courage of Fubara to fight Wike, and they are very sure that Wike never saw this coming. So being a loyalist to you doesn't mean that you should take the person for granted. That Fubara must have surrendered himself with a good advisor because his move towards fighting Wike is top-notch. Honestly, netizens are very angry about the demolitions, but some are in support of Fubara, some are in support of Wike. Honestly, this crisis rocking Rivers State House of Assembly took a new turn on Monday with the 27 members defecting from the ruling People Democratic Party in the state to the All Progressive Congress. The lawmakers cited divisions within the PDP as the primary reason of their defection to APC. The affected lawmakers are said to be the ones loyal to the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike. Moreover, the state APC chapter said that he is open to receive more defectors from the PDP in the state. He has described the defection of the 27 members of the State House of Assembly as a welcome development. So they are very happy about that lawmakers from PDP defected to APC. And they said that they are expecting others to join them so that they can sway the ranks of the APC and run the state properly. My people don't be supporting. Netizens are very angry because this morning, the State House of Assembly got demolished. So they don't know the reason why they demolished the building. Some are saying that it's due for renovation. So we don't know what actually is the problem. So I guess I would like to get your take in this. Let me know your thoughts. Your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. And don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified when we drop our video. Once again, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. We really do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, come your way next. Stay safe, guys. Bye.